Most striking is its inclusion of Geely's own Qianli Haohan H3 intelligent driving system. What this means? This means the vehicle can not only drive itself on the highway but also automatically change lanes, overtake, and negotiate ramps without you even lifting a finger, as if you were chauffeured. The new 03 retains its European style. The headlights are sharper and the daytime running lights are razor sharp, combined with a large, darkened grille, instantly maximizes the sporty feel. The body lines are also more fluid, and the drag coefficient is said to have been reduced to 0.26 CD. This not only looks good but also saves energy. My favorite feature is the small rear spoiler. It gives a simple yet quite aggressive driving experience. You could call it a photo-taking weapon, and that's not an exaggeration. It gets people taking photos even when parked on the street. Compared to the Civic, the 03 feels more balanced and refined, compared to the others. It has a more technological feel than the others. Walking around with a nod? This car really has that vibe. The center console features a 15.4-inch vertical screen that offers a clean interface and fluid operation. The H3 system's user interface is also integrated, making navigation and driver assistance status easily recognizable. When you use it, you'll understand what an intelligent cockpit should be like, unlike some cars where the screen is large but laggy like an old-fashioned phone. The new sporty seats offer significantly better support than before, providing excellent lateral support on mountain roads. In terms of space, 3 adults can comfortably sit in the rear, and the trunk is spacious enough for daily commutes and weekend trips. The 1.5T and 2.0T engine options will continue to be offered. It boasts 181 horsepower and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 7.9 seconds. It's perfectly adequate for the daily commute. The accelerator pedal delivers instant power, and the transmission shifts smoothly without any delay. If you're looking for a more powerful driving experience, the 2.0T version can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. The chassis tuning remains Lynk & Company's strong suit, leaning towards sportiness without being harsh. It doesn't overwhelm you over speed bumps and is remarkably stable in high-speed corners. The steering is precise, giving it a driving toy feel. Compared to the Civic's comfort-focused setup, the 03 is more interactive, and driving enthusiasts will appreciate this feeling.